Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Chrome browser to the latest version. Now, if you are having these challenges of updating your Chrome browser, either it's giving you an error or showing these error messages or it's stuck at a percentage where downloading and then it gets to that percentage and it's stuck there, your Chrome browser doesn't keep updated to the latest version. Don't worry, I got you on this video. I'm going to show you the easy and simple way on how to update your Chrome browser. Very easy and simple, fast. To solve these error cases and these problems, just open your Chrome browser. If you have observed that the problem is persisting, just once you open your Chrome browser, just close it and run your task manager. Under your task manager, and go to these three dots, and then you can see we have processes here. So if you check within here and then you have observed, even though you have closed your Chrome browser, but you still observe that your Chrome browser is functioning here. So just scroll through within the performance tab to see if the Chrome is still located there. You right click on it and then end task. That is if it is located there. So once you just close it there like that, now go back to the Chrome browser and open it. Open the Chrome browser and now go to your three dots here, as you can see, and then go to the settings. Under the settings, just as you come to about Chrome, and then this is the updated version. Automatically, once you just end the task from the task bar, definitely the updates are going to be installing automatically once you just get to about Chrome. So as you can see my own, with all these options that it was behaving, errors and error messages, and once I end the task from the task manager, you can see that now it's start downloading again as we observe it. So let's just wait patiently for us to see whether it's going to finish or not. So I'll speed up the video to see whether it's going to be updated. You can see the version here 86.0, but we are going to see, so after the update, whether it's going to be updated to the latest version or not. So I'll speed up the video for us to see. So you can see now our Chrome is now updated, and then you can see that newly up to date. Relaunch Google Chrome to finish the updating. So we have to relaunch the Google Chrome just in order for it to be updated. So just click on the relaunch. Right. Once you just click on the relaunch, it's going to close it, then open by itself once again. So we're just waiting for it. Right. So as it opens, right, these are just navigations showing you how it works. So just got it. Right, so once it pops up like that, just go to the three dot once again and go to the settings, and let's see whether it's updated or not. Now scroll down. As you can see, we have about Chrome here. You can see the features has been changed, and you can see that our Chrome has been updated. Chrome is up to date, and then you can see our version was 86 point something, but it's now 142. So that is just how easy and simple it is to update your Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.